Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Plus 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're dealing with a cracked screen on your Surface Plus 7 and the touch functionality is completely unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to drops or impacts that damage the screen's internal structure. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, such as internal component damage or even complete device failure. To fix this, you'll need a few tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the Surface Plus 7. First, ensure your device is powered off to avoid any electrical issues. Start by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen from one corner. Be cautious, as the screen is fragile. Once you've created a small gap, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry the screen away from the casing. Take your time here, rushing can cause more damage. Now, you'll need to locate the screen connector, which is usually found near the top edge of the device. Gently detach any cables or connectors that are securing the old screen in place. When you've disconnected everything, carefully remove the broken screen. Remember to keep track of the screws and their locations, as you'll need them for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new replacement screen and carefully align it with the connectors. Press it into place, ensuring that all connections are secure and that the screen fits snugly. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble your device. Start by carefully placing the screen back onto the casing, ensuring it's properly aligned. Once it clicks into place, you can replace the screws you removed earlier. Be sure not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage to the new screen. Finally, power on your Surface Plus 7 to check that everything is functioning correctly. If all is well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, consider investing in a durable case or screen protector. These can absorb shocks and reduce the risk of damage from accidental drops. Also, be mindful of where you place your device to avoid potential accidents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.